Okay, so payday hits. And for maybe 45 minutes, you feel genuinely good about life. The number is higher. You feel like someone who has things under control. And then 2 days later, you're staring at your balance going, wait, where did it all go? I literally just got paid. And the answer is everywhere and nowhere, the usual things in the usual amounts in that vague, unaccounted for way that happens every single time, and you make a mental note to be better next payday, except next payday looks exactly the same. My name is Nick, and I've had that conversation with myself more times than I want to admit, and what I've figured out after thinking about this for a long time is that the problem isn't the money. It's the absence of a ritual. Wealthy people treat payday like a meeting they show up to, a short, purposeful 30 minutes where they sit down and tell their money where to go before it decides for itself. And that's the whole secret. So here's the system. First, you look backward, pull up your bank statement, and scan every transaction from the last 2 weeks, not to judge yourself, but just to see where the drift happened. Because most money doesn't disappear from bad decisions, it disappears from small, unconscious ones stacking up quietly. Then you pay yourself first. Before anything else, before you check what bills are coming, you move money automatically to savings or investments, because money still sitting in your checking account feels spendable, and money that's already moved does not. Then you do a fixed cost check, rent, car, insurance, subscriptions, and ask whether every single one is still accurate and whether the total is still below 50% of your take-home pay, because fixed costs are where lifestyle inflation hides. Then you make an extra debt payment on your highest interest balance, even $50, because minimum payments are designed to keep you paying forever. Then you allocate your remaining spending into categories with a rough ceiling and spend inside them guilt-free. Then you scan the next 2 weeks for anything coming that could blindside you. The whole thing takes 30 minutes. Once a payday. That's the entire system. Go do it.